Instead of having a shed full of snow shovels, rakes, and lawnmowers, how about letting technology do your work? That was probably what motivated the team of YARBO when they created their all-rounder yard robot. Not only will you find it cutting the grass at specified times, but the device also blows leaves and can even free your driveway from snow. Switching between tasks is easy thanks to different modules that connect to the main body. Another advantage, strong motors and special rubber tracks allow it to maneuver even on a slope of up to 68%. Besides the usual smartphone controls, you can connect it to the YARBO remote control for a bit more fun, just like in a video game. However, it is definitely on the pricier side, with the main body costing $5,500 and the add-on module starting at $1,300. Whenever the Royal Botanical Gardens in London commit to a product, you can be sure that it will fulfill its promise and then some. Take, for example, these reusable plant pots. Their unusual design allows plants to grow up to 75% quicker. Here is how it works. The plastic structure guides each root towards an air hole, eliminating root circling and enhancing the growth of healthy roots. Available in a wide range of sizes, these pots are suitable for all sorts of gardening, home or commercial. The air pots can also be taken apart and flattened for easy storage. So don't be surprised if upon delivery they arrive in a letter format package. Prices range from $8 to $140. Considering how physically demanding gardening is, it may be surprising to hear that it stays one of the country's favorite hobbies, which is probably why the inventors of the ROTOSHOVEL will not run out of customers. After all, their curious-looking invention makes digging holes 3 times as fast and requires virtually no effort. The patented shovel attachment directs the dug-up soil away from the user, stabilizes the device, and can also scoop up dirt. It also has a safety shutoff that automatically stops the motor when it hits something hard, like a rock or root, preventing it from burning out or breaking and from possible injuries. A ROTOSHOVEL is priced at just over $140. Keeping your garden healthy and happy requires a whole lot of effort, including the appropriate nutrients for each plant. Well, what if you could get these nutrients right from home? SOILKIND is a kitchen composting system that turns organic waste into nutrient-rich compost in just 48 hours. The device runs 3 automatic steps. First, shredding and drying food scraps, leading to a volume reduction of 85%. Next, it controls the temperature, humidity, and aeration inside to activate natural microorganisms, which in turn reduces the composting time from several months to just 2 days. The compost is then immediately ready to use for your garden. The company is in the process of producing its first machines and hopes to open their online shop soon. Every gardener worth their salt deals with weeds quickly, and for the price of $250, a cousin of the popular Roomba vacuum can take on that job. Aptly named TERTILL, this robot will keep a 19 square meters garden weed free by whacking them with a trimmer. But there are some conditions. For one, the ground must be either bare soil or mulch, not grass or large stones. Then the surface must also be quite flat, as the device does not work well with slopes. Additionally, some specific spacing between the crops needs to be accommodated for. Given all these, however, the device weeds in 2 to 5 minute intervals for up to 2 hours every day. But, as the manufacturer highlights, you need to have a barrier around your garden. Otherwise, this little turtle might take off running. Winner of the Time Best Inventions Award in 2022, OTTO calls itself the future of lawn care. Simply attach your water hose to it, set custom watering areas in any shape you like, and schedule a timing. OTTO will then put down just the right amount of water across your lawn and to your plants, and will even accommodate for rain or wind. And in case your garden needs some special treatment or fertilizing, simply pop in the necessary bottle of treatment liquid. With a starting price of almost $500, one device can cover a yard of up to 260 square meters, and several can be paired to cover bigger areas. The team behind the YUKA lawnmower was unhappy with imprecise GPS data and instead relied on a system that allows the robot to be precise to the centimeter, which comes in handy when mapping your lawn. And perhaps most importantly, moving children and pets. The YUKA model simply navigates around them. Surprisingly, the team did not stop here. Instead, they added other functions that are pretty out there. For example, you can create art on your lawn by leaving some of the grass untouched. And there is also the self-emptying feature, where it navigates to a designated spot, dumps the collected leaves, and then resumes the task. Early bird prices on Kickstarter start at a cool $1,300. These smokeless fire pits are on the expensive end, but with each one handcrafted in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, the price does seem justified, and they are built to last, which the company backs up with their lifetime warranty. They come in a range of sizes, with the biggest weighing close to 90 kilograms and costing a whopping $2,800. If you're looking to wow guests at your next backyard party, consider getting a lazy spa. Even the Good Housekeeping reader recommended this hot tub. After all, the high sides allow its jets to reach up to your upper torso, while the inbuilt bench allows for comfortable seating for around 7 people. The massage system itself consists of 10 multi-directional hydrojets with 180 powerful air jets. Moreover, the Santorini's pump can heat water up to a relaxing 40 degrees Celsius with just the touch of a button. Don't be surprised if all this makes your guests refuse to leave and they stay until nighttime, in which case the hot tub also includes water-powered LED lights. The best part? The easy installation. It is up in 10 minutes and needs no specific tools. The HYDROJET Pro is priced at $1,199. Well, let's hope that your pool is cleaner than that and that this young man is okay. After all, dirty pools are a dangerous breeding ground for algae and bacteria, but the solution is not to dump more chemicals. Overchlorinated water can also cause painful health issues. If only there was a device that gave customized expert advice on how to fix up your pool water, let's say in a smartphone app. WATERGURU has created automated smart pool monitors that provide real-time data about your pool water chemistry. This allows you to take preventative action to make sure the water is healthy at all times. Fitted inside the skimmer, it records chlorine, pH, and color readings registered through its patented optical sensor. Additionally, the device claims to help lower chemical and energy usage by 30%. Available for both pools and hot tubs, prices start at $265. Now that the pool water is dealt with, how about saving some money on cleaning it, a necessary hassle that no one really enjoys? Enter MAYTRONICS Dolphin S200, a robotic pool cleaner built to deliver a deep clean, saving you the trouble. The device is extremely easy to use. Simply plug it in with the extra long cable, drop it into the pool, and wait for it to get the job done. One cleaning cycle lasts 2 hours, and the Dolphin can deal with pools of up to 15 meters, which is larger than the backyard average. It is priced at just over $1,500, a hefty sum, but over time it may save more than you would have paid for cleaning services. According to the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, landscape irrigation accounts for almost a third of all residential water use, totaling nearly 9 billion gallons per day. This level of water consumption is both harmful for the environment and hard on the pocket. Meet RACHIO's latest smart sprinkler controller. The third iteration of this series, this device has over 10,000 five-star reviews on Amazon. It tailors the watering schedule to the specific needs of a yard or garden, using details like plant type, soil type, sun exposure, and more to optimize watering. Additionally, it utilizes a weather intelligence feature to adjust for local weather conditions and reduce unnecessary water waste. The controller is priced at just under $100 on Amazon. Another statistic, the WHO states that nearly 700 million people get a mosquito-borne illness each year, resulting in over 700,000 deaths. And since there is no way to differentiate disease-transmitting mosquitoes from the others, preventing all bites is your best strategy. You can protect your home with THERMACELL's Live, the first smart mosquito repellent system. It works by heating up a small mat soaked in repellent that forms a perimeter around the determined space. Live's smart hub connects to the repellers placed around the yard, and the whole system can be easily controlled using the smartphone app. While the device isn't a quick and easy fix, requiring at least 15 minutes to do its job, it does help in making any outdoor gatherings mosquito-free. Prices range from $799 to $1,000. Don't forget to subscribe to Unstoppable Gadgets. And if you want to check out more cool gadgets and technology, click on the screen for the next video.